Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. The 2025 Ghost retains the classic Rolls-Royce silhouette that's instantly recognizable on any street corner. Think of a stately and imposing presence with a bold Pantheon grille, a long hood that stretches towards the horizon, and the iconic spirit of ecstasy standing proudly on the prow. However, subtle design tweaks might introduce a touch of modern elegance. Imagine even sleeker lines for improved aerodynamics, next-generation LED headlights that cut through the night, and possibly even hidden features like electronically deployed door handles for a touch of futuristic flair. The overall design embodies timeless elegance with a hint of modern innovation and bespoke sanctuary of luxury. Step inside the 2025 Ghost and brace yourself for an automotive oasis. Imagine a spacious and opulent cabin handcrafted from the finest materials. Think of the softest leathers, polished wood inlays that tell unique stories, and intricate details that showcase Rolls-Royce's dedication to bespoke craftsmanship. Expect ample legroom and headroom for all passengers, individual climate control to ensure everyone feels comfortable, and a starlight headliner that creates an ethereal ambience unlike any other car. The rear seats are likely to be the epitome of comfort, potentially offering reclining options with massage functions and features like built-in entertainment screens or even a champagne cooler for the ultimate in-cabin experience. Unmatched bespoke customization. Every Rolls-Royce Ghost is a unique creation tailored to the owner's specific desires,